Kirsten.
And Joerg.
Now, is it always raining in Britain?
Yes, it's always raining day and night.
But today is a very rainy day.
Yeah.
And still, we decided to visit a lovely garden.
Yeah, because it's, next 10 minutes we'll get a really heavy rain shower.
Yeah, I think so too.
There are really dark clouds around.
Yeah, there are. This is Trentham Garden in Staffordshire.
Yeah, it's a really beautiful garden.
It's huge.
Yeah.
And yeah, we will try to make the best of it, even if there's rain.
Yeah.
So join us for a stroll around a beautiful garden.
Because we've got an umbrella.
Two, even.
And I've got my rain jacket on. So.
Yeah, me too.
And she's got a wellies on.
Yes. So I think it should be fine.
Yeah, it will be fine.
Now let's explore and have a couple later, of course.
As always.
You can see the dark clouds, and you know what? I think lots of people are leaving now.
Yes, because now it's
they don't
5 minutes and it's raining.
Yeah, they don't want to get wet. So we might be lucky and have the garden to ourselves.
Yeah.
Why not? I have to learn the hard way, because always listen to your husband, I think.
Yeah, at least when he tries to tell you how the weather's going to be.
Yeah, Joerg said, let's go in the morning, and I said, let's have a very relaxed day and stay in bed a little bit longer and go in the afternoon.
Yeah, but the weather forecast said that the probability of rain in the morning was 40%.
Yeah.
And in the afternoon, 60%. So I would have gone in the morning.
I'm so sorry. What now?
Now, okay, we can't change it anymore.
We have to deal with it.
Yeah.
I was too stubborn.
No.
I have to listen to you more. I usually...
Sometimes you have to listen to me, yes.
Yeah, I usually do.
Yeah.
So this is part of the old hall?
Yeah.
I think it used to be really beautiful.
It was, yes.
Yeah. It's just a ruin now.
Yes, it was abandoned and demolished in 1912.
Yeah. It would be so nice if they rebuilt it. And Joerg, you said there are plans to rebuild the hall?
Yes, they had a plan. I'm not sure if it's still on the table. But they wanted to build a 5-star hotel.
Really?
Yes, with a spa and with everything. But they stopped it in the financial crisis.
So in 2008?
Yeah, 2008.
It would be interesting to see.
Yes.
But you know what? What we see here is just, that's the back.
Yeah, I believe so, yeah.
That's let's see if we can film the front.
Yeah.
And you see, all of this is wisteria. So unfortunately, we can't see the front. There's a gate and no, you can't see anything, sadly. Yeah, it's a complete ruin, as you can see. It's a shame. Already time for some tea.
Yeah.
The rain was quite heavy and we said, let's have tea first. And Joerg ordered a gluten-free toast for me. And you have a shortbread. Let me film it for you. This is Joerg's shortbread.
Yeah.
2 teas. And it's still outdoor seating here in the UK. And I think indoor seating starts from tomorrow.
Yeah, at least in England.
But we found a dry spot, so it's not too bad.
No.
What do you think, Joerg?
Yeah, I'm hungry now.
And that's my gluten-free sandwich. This garden is really huge.
Yeah.
It even has a shopping village.
Yeah.
Trentham shopping village.
So if you don't like to walk in the garden, you can spend money.
Yeah. And there's also a monkey forest.
Yeah.
And the lake next to us was designed by no other
than Capability Brown.
Yeah, the famous landscape gardener.
I think every second lake in Britain's been built by him.
He must have been extremely busy.
So Capability Brown, the great lake builder.
Definitely. So that's the lake, and it's really big. How did he do it? I'm so in awe when it comes to Capability Brown. What a man. So the real name of Capability Brown is Lancelot.
Lancelot Capability Brown.
And I just said I'm always so in awe when it comes to him. Yeah. Do you think he's called Capability Brown because he was so capable?
Yes, he was capable.
It's like in German we would call him a Großindustrieller.
Yeah. Yes, he was a really good entrepreneur.
And that's ages ago.
Yeah. Look, it says here.
Yeah.
The lake's been Lancelot Capability Brown made it in 1759.
Yeah. It's lovely.
Yeah, yeah.
Really nice. So where's the monkey forest? Do you know?
The other side of the lake.
Yeah.
It's a mile walk.
Yeah, we should try to go there.
Come on.
Hi, you two. What you up to? Husband and wife?
You don't know.
I think so.
Maybe it's just his girlfriend.
Oh, yeah, maybe that. I love this colour combination.
Yes. It's wonderful.
Yeah, it's really beautiful. Behind this fence is the monkey forest.
Yes.
But it's now 4:30 and I think it's open until 5.
Yeah.
And it is an extra entrance fee.
Yes.
So
And it's yeah.
And Joerg says the fence reminds him of Jurassic Park.
Yeah. Everybody's seen Jurassic Park.
Yeah.
Yeah. See the similarities.
Yeah.
So that's where Steven Spielberg got his idea for the fence.
We took the long walk and we are alone.
Yeah.
I think everybody else is just taking the short walk. But it's nicer here because you can see the garden, everything.
Thank you.
Thank you for what? What?
Yeah. Said thank you to everybody else who's not doing a long walk.
Yeah. It's really beautiful. I think we are quite lucky. It's not too bad.
Yeah. And it stopped raining.
Exactly. That's what I mean. We are quite lucky. And you know what? I want to go up there. There's some sort of cross or something. Do you think we can go there?
Where?
Somewhere on the left. Let's have a look. I was wrong. First of all, it's not a cross. It's some sort of monument.
It's a monument of the first Duke of Sunderland.
Yeah, and it's not on the estate here.
No.
It's outside, so we can't go there. I thought we could.
No.
Sadly not. Yeah. You know what?
What?
Maybe it wasn't a bad idea
No.
to visit in the afternoon.
No, because now it's really quiet.
This is what I had in mind.
Yeah.
Like, no rain. Actually, a wonderful temperature,
Yeah.
I must say. And hardly any people.
Yeah, so we've got the garden on our own.
Not
No.
entirely, but
We feel like we own it.
this is exactly what I thought. what it would be like.
Yeah.
So it's perfect.
Yes.
So maybe it wasn't too bad that I didn't listen.
It was a good idea.
But I will try to listen more in future.
Yeah, do that.
But what I find so strange, the moment we entered this garden, I had the feeling of being in Germany. Don't ask me why. I don't really know why. How come? I had the feeling that we were that we are in Germany, and I don't know why.
Yeah, me neither.
You know, sometimes I think because of the hall and the building over there, it reminds me of Dresden. A little bit of the... Is there an English name of der Zwinger in Dresden?
No.
It's called Zwinger in Dresden, which is beautiful. It's absolutely stunning. And this is just a very...
Tiny piece.
Tiny piece.
Really tiny.
Yeah, but I feel this is so different. This garden is somehow really different to all the other English gardens.
Yeah, because that's an Italian garden. So
I know.
So it's not an English garden, that's an Italian garden.
No, I know.
Maybe that's the reason.
No.
Yeah.
Maybe because the size is somewhat different. I don't know. But it's really nice.
Yeah.
I think it's beautiful. And it's open until 8 o'clock.
Yeah.
Which is really, really great. We don't know any gardens that are open until 8 p.m.
No, usually they're closing at 5 or 6 o'clock.
5, yeah, usually. So it's wonderful.
The tiny version of der Zwinger in Dresden.
Very tiny.
And somehow the tower up there reminds me of Dresden. We need to go back to Dresden. It's really beautiful and it's been ages. The tulips here are so stunning.
Coming back to our very first question, does it always rain in Britain?
Yes, it does.
It doesn't.
We're not in Britain now, we're in Germany, as you said.
No, yeah, true. We are in Italy, it's an Italian garden.
Yeah, it's an Italian garden.
No, now we have lovely weather.
Yeah.
And of course, it doesn't always rain here.
Yeah. But if you visit the UK, bring an umbrella.
And bring an umbrella in Germany as well.
Yeah.
We find it a big misconception and always think the weather here isn't very different to Germany.
No.
On the contrary, winters here are a lot milder.
Yeah.
And we really like it.
Yeah.
I don't know, it was just a bit unlucky the past couple of weeks.
Yeah.
and it's fine.
But now it's fine.
Yeah, it's fine. I mean, we need rain. That's why we have such an amazing countryside here. So what do you think of the garden, Joerg?
It's lovely.
Yeah, I really like it as well, so we can highly recommend it.
Yeah.
And this week will only be one video because it looks like our carpet, the runner, will be fitted this week.
Yes,
Which,
I hope so.
Yeah, I mean, it's been such a long time and we can't wait. And we have something very exciting planned for the weekend. So stay tuned for that.
Yeah.
We think you will like it. And yeah, we'll see you again very soon. So stay tuned for more.
Yeah.
And
take care of yourself.
Yes, take care. And until next time.
Yeah, see you soon.
See you soon. Bye.
Bye-bye.
And these are all the shops, by the way. Joerg just spotted something. I hope you can hear me.
Peaky Blinder whiskey.
Wow, that's interesting.
But it's an Irish whiskey.
Well,
which makes it more interesting because Peaky Blinders aren't Irish.
No, but the main actor is.
Yes, but still it's weird.
Maybe because of that.
Yeah.
How interesting.
Yes.